Hello and welcome to Neema's kitchen. So guys, are you all ready for the Christmas surprise? Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a crème caramel. It's freaking good, smooth and delicious. After trying this recipe, you will never want to have this out anymore. First step is to prepare the caramel. For this, I'm using 1/4 cup of sugar to a small saucepan. And let's caramelize it on a medium heat. You have to keep an eye on it. It's done. Make sure that you take the saucepan away quickly from the heat and then pour it into the mold. And let's keep this aside to set. Now, the second part is to prepare the custard, and I'm using a blender jar for proper mixing. Into this, I'm going to add in 4 eggs. And finally the 4th. And 1/2 cup of sugar, half tablespoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. It's just for balancing. Now let's blend this for about 2 seconds and then we'll come back. So this is our blended mixture. Then add 2 cups of full fat milk into the same jar and blend again. Now the secret to the super smooth texture is to strain this mixture using a fine sieve. So I'm just going to strain it. And then into the mold. Now let's place the mold onto a steamer and cook on a medium flame for 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm just going to place the mold. You can cover it up either with a lid or a foil. Now let's wait for 25 to 30 minutes. By the way, if you're planning to use oven, then bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. It's already 30 minutes. Now you can check it by inserting a skewer in, and if it comes out moist and not wet, then it's done. See, it's done. Now let's remove this out. We need to let it cool down and then refrigerate it for 2 hours. After 2 hours of refrigeration, this is how it looks. Now let's carefully run a knife along the sides of the mold. Place a plate over the mold and then slowly turn it upside down, like this. And slightly tap it down. how it looks. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Merry Christmas.